Alright guys, I'm gonna show you what I made. Easy airsoft gun, pill bottle, cap, just some airtight sealant, casing of a pen. Just kind of dig a hole in here. I started with a drill, finished it with an X-Acto knife. You're just gonna need some BBs, regular, any type of BBs that'll fit in this pen here, and an air compressor with a trigger adapter shown here. Alright, just 1 second while I get it ready, guys. Alright, how's that view? Okay, that looks pretty good. So right now I'm just going to get my air BB gun. And guys, if you put lots of bullets in here, sorry, I was just looking at the cord, but you will lose BBs. Alright, I don't have a lot of air compression on here, obviously. But that way you can still see the BBs. And one trick is if they're not coming out, just give it a little shake. If you really want to see them, use colored BBs. It makes you have a lot of air pressure if you really want to shoot stuff. I'll just give you one more little quick demo. So. Alright, well, there you go.